Every morning, Liam woke up very early. He lived in a small town and worked in a bakery. Liam was 24 years old. He was kind and honest, but he felt sad inside. He always thought, "My life is too small. I will never do something great." At the bakery, Liam worked with his friend Emma. Emma was always smiling. She loved her job and loved talking to people. One morning, Emma said, "Good morning, Liam. Why do you look tired again?" Liam smiled a little and said, "I work every day, but nothing changes. My dreams feel far away." Emma looked at him and said, "Big dreams don't start big, they start small." Liam did not answer. He did not believe her. One evening, after work, Liam walked home slowly. He saw an old man sitting on a bench. The man was reading a book and drinking tea. The old man smiled and said, "Hello, young man. You look like someone who thinks too much." Liam laughed softly. "Yes, I think too much about my future." The old man closed his book. He said, "My name is Mr. Harris, and you?" "I'm Liam." Mr. Harris asked, "Tell me, Liam, what do you want in life?" Liam thought for a moment. "I want to be proud of myself. I want to do something meaningful." Mr. Harris nodded. "That's a good dream, but what did you do today for that dream?" Liam stayed quiet. He had no answer. The next day at work, Emma noticed something. Liam was quieter than usual. "Are you okay?" she asked. "I met an old man yesterday," Liam said. "He asked me what I did for my dream. I did nothing." Emma smiled kindly. "Then start today. Do one small thing." That evening, Liam decided to change something. He did not know how, but he wanted to try. He went home and wrote on a paper, "One small step every day." The next morning, Liam woke up earlier than usual. Before work, he read one page of an English book. It was hard, but he tried. At work, he spoke more with customers. He smiled more. He listened more. After work, he walked to the park. Mr. Harris was there again. "You came back," Mr. Harris said. "Yes," Liam replied. "I started doing small things." Mr. Harris smiled. "That is how change begins." Days passed, then weeks passed. Every day, Liam did something small. He learned new words. He saved a little money. He helped more people at the bakery. Emma noticed the change. "You look happier," she said one day. "I feel stronger, not because my life is big, but because I don't stop." One rainy evening, the bakery was very busy. Many customers came inside. Suddenly, the boss said, "Liam, can you talk to the customers today?" Liam felt nervous, but he remembered his paper at home. One small step. He said, "Yes, I can." He spoke clearly. He smiled. People listened. After work, the boss said, "You did a great job today." Liam's heart felt warm. That night, Liam went to the park again. Mr. Harris was not there. The bench was empty. Liam sat down and looked at the sky. He felt thankful. The next day, Emma brought something to work. It was a small notebook. "For you," she said. "Write your progress. Never forget how far you come." Liam smiled. "Thank you." Months later, Liam was no longer the same person. He was still in the bakery, but he was different inside. He believed in himself. One afternoon, he saw Mr. Harris again. "I did not give up," Liam said proudly. Mr. Harris smiled and stood up slowly. "I knew you wouldn't." Liam asked, "Why did you help me?" Mr. Harris looked at him and said, because someone once helped me, too. That night, Liam wrote in his notebook, "Dreams don't change your life. Small steps do." And for the first time in his life, Liam felt proud of who he was becoming.